Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have power and an HDMI cable. Now plug Apple TV into the TV and switch the TV to that HDMI input. Use the Siri remote to wake the device, then follow on-screen language and region prompts. If you want faster setup, place your iPhone next to the Apple TV to transfer Wi-Fi and Apple ID settings. This saves typing. Once done, sign into or create an Apple ID so you can download apps and enable iCloud features. Now focus on accounts and apps. Connect to your preferred Wi-Fi network or use Ethernet when you need reliable 4K streaming. Sign in with your Apple ID so purchases, subscriptions, and iCloud sync work. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security. Next, open the App Store to install Apple TV+, Netflix, Prime Video, or other services you use. Rearranging apps on the home screen makes navigation faster, so move your daily apps to the front for easy access. Finish by customizing display and audio to match your TV. Set resolution, enable HDR or Dolby Atmos if supported, and choose refresh rate when needed. Test playback in multiple apps to confirm streaming quality, subtitles, and audio track selection. This ensures everything behaves consistently. If something goes wrong, restart the Apple TV first, verify the HDMI cable and TV input, then check your router. If the problem persists, reset network settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID to resolve account sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.